Slim, spin that house shit.
I'm a state, I'm a motherfucking home. I don't really give a shit, cause everybody can't enough from hold my own. When you hold my hand, I don't give a shit. When these bitches talking on a motherfucking lot of shit. I'm a still bad, yeah, I'm a still bad. I don't give a fuck when you're thinking I'm a still bad, yeah. On the mic, yeah, on a fucking mic. I don't really give a shit, because I can never rap for life. Everybody can, I don't give a shit. I'm a country killer rapper, I don't really give a fuck what you think. I'm still tryna be what the fuck I wanna be. I need motherfucking beef. Every bitch tryna beat my meat for me, cause I don't give it for me. Guess what? I'm a duty tryna not get myself. No, no motherfuckers, I'm the city student on my own. Let these bitches know I don't wanna let you motherfucking play the horses. I'm not around my horses. Guess what? Cause I don't give a fuck about these bitches on them on the horses. I don't give a fuck about the horses on them, cause I'm still tryna be. I'm a motherfucking man and I'm a knight. I don't really give a fuck when nobody is in your life. I'm a fight, I'm a fight, I'm a mic. I don't really give a shit when nobody wanna like me. I'm not a mic, cause I don't give a shit and they can find it with it. I don't give a fucking cause then they can find it with it. I can know how to use it really. I can know how to use it, music in the back of mine. Everybody don't know why. I can use a bitch, I can have the time. I can make a rhyme and everybody only from know what I can do. I don't give a shit, it's just cause I'm free. Finding everybody looking like even looking food. Why bitches, I'm still don't cry with these bitches. No, I'm not gonna tear in my motherfucking beard, bitch. No, I won't, no, I don't. Cause I don't give a shit how I roll, how I motherfucker roll shit. Listen to my horn, listen to my horn. I don't give a fuck about your bitches tryna think and kinda call. I don't care where they walk, I don't give a fuck. I'm kinda acting like I wanna be a superstar. That's for it. Yeah.